Welcome back, students. In this video we will do two questions based on MGF function. Alright, in first function MGF function is given to you. You have to find the mean and variance of that function. देखो functions के केस में if अगर हमारे पास MGF concept is not there, then how will you find out the mean of this function? It is not possible. And after some videos you will find key MGF of some functions also doesn't exist. So in that case we will introduce some new term. Okay, so we will discuss that there. Now second question है find the MGF. First में MGF is given to you. You have to find out the mean and variance only. In second में rth moment is given to you. You have to find the MGF function. Okay. Now firstly I am solving first question. First question I am solving क्या था? Probability of x is equal to r is क्योंकि r minus 1 into p. This is your probability function. Now assume the value r. Probability function ये moment generating function mxt is equal to expected value of e की t x. Now here r is 1 2 3. Next you know which will come. After that you know कि which next number will come. So discrete values this r is taking. So here we will use summation when we open this formula. So it will be summation r from, in definition we introduced this r from 0 to infinity, but here we will introduce from 1. And actually definition mein this is the, here it is x, but in question here it is r and the variable in question is r. So what I am using here, r, e की t r. In place of x, in question the variable is r, so I am using r. Q r minus 1 into p. This is your function. Now solve this function to find out mean and variance. How I find out? Firstly I will solve this properly. After that जो term in the last I will get, I will differentiate that term to get mean and variance. I can write it as q e की t r, q की power minus 1, q की power r into p. p and q minus 1 both are independent of this summation, so come outside. Infinity e की t, q की r. Now it will be p by q r1 q e की t plus r2 q e t whole square plus q e t whole cube and so on. Take this q e t common. P by q q e t 1 plus q e t plus q e t square and so on. Q से Q cancel. Now this is the infinite GP with ratio Q e की power t. Okay, this is the infinite GP with common ratio Q e की power t. So sum of that will be 1 upon में r minus a. Sorry, not r minus a upon में 1 minus r. Sum of infinite terms will be GP terms. That sum will be a upon में 1 minus r. Here a is 1 minus q e t. So it is your p e की power t 1 minus q e t. This is your mxt function in terms of t. Now I need to find the mean and variance. What is your mean? Differentiate this one with respect to t. Differentiate 1 with respect to t. What you will get? d by dt of mxt. It will be use u by v formula. U as it is और v का differentiation e की power t as it is minus u as it is, v का differentiation, this minus and this minus will become plus q e की power t upon में v square 1 minus QET whole square. All right. So from here, d by dt of mxt, this will be p as it is. When you open this bracket, this one and this one, it will be this and it will be first की जगह आ जाएगा e की power t minus this. This is in minus, this is plus. So they will cancel each other. p e की power t upon में 1 minus q e की power t. Now in the previous video when I told you ki how MGF generate movements, in that case if I put this t is equal to 0, only after that I will get my first movement mu1 dash, which is mean also. It will be e की power 0 1, तो 1 minus q का whole square, and in probability p plus q is always equal to 1. So from here p by p square, which is 1 upon p. Mean of this is 1 upon में p, mu1 dash, which is mean. Now for variance, what will I do? I will differentiate this term again. d2 by dt2 mxt. Differentiate it again. You will get p outside e. नहीं wait. हाँ, this term you have to differentiate ना. तो 1 minus q e t whole square as it is e की t minus e की t as it is twice of 1 minus q e की t, and then differentiation of this term will be minus q e की t minus minus plus q e की t upon में 1 minus q e t की power 4. All right. So what I will do, I will take this one power common and then I will cancel, or you can do one thing. mu2 dash you need for variance, because variance formula is mu2 dash minus mu1 dash ka square. This is your variance formula, right? So for that, what can you do? Directly put t is equal to 0. Put t is equal to 0. Here you will get p 1 minus q square plus 2q 1 minus q upon में 1 minus q की power 4. This thing you get. तो p power 1 I will take from here, 1 I will take from here. यहाँ से 1, यहाँ से 1 और ये वाला 1 cancel. तो यहाँ पे 1 बचेगा, 1 minus q, just remove the bracket also, plus 2q upon में 1 minus q की power 3. तो minus and this plus, it will be p 1 minus q upon में 1 minus q का cube. What is the value of 1 minus q? 1 minus q is p square by में p cube. Sorry, it will be 1 plus q. Okay, so it will be not p. This is wrong. It is 1 plus p. So p by p cube 1 plus q. It will be 1 plus q by p square. This is your mu2 dash. Now variance will be mu2 dash minus mu1 dash का square. This is your variance. Okay. And variance की चलो वैल्यू भी बता ही देते हैं. You have 1 plus q by p square minus 1 upon p square q by p square. This is your variance. All right. Now this is the solution of your first part. How MGF function, from MGF function you find out the mean and variance. Now I am erasing this portion and after that we will solve the second part, second question. Okay. Solution of second part. Second part, you have to find the MGF of random variables whose movements are given by this. The what is mu r dash? Mu r dash is r plus 1 factorial into 2 की power r. This is your mu function. Now mxt in terms of this mu r dash is summation r from 0 to infinity, right? R from 0 to infinity टी की पावर आर अपॉन में आर फैक्टोरियल म्यू आर डैश, दिस इज योर फंक्शन है ना, एम एक्स टी फंक्शन इन टर्म्स ऑफ म्यू आर डैश। नाउ ये वैल्यू पुट करो म्यू आर डैश की, इट विल बी समेशन आर फ्रॉम 0 to infinity टी की पावर आर अपॉन में आर फैक्टोरियल आर प्लस 1 फैक्टोरियल 2 की पावर आर। I can write this r plus 1 factorial as r plus 1 into r factorial. R से r factorial cancel, it will be summation r from 0 to infinity r plus 1 to t की power r. अब मुझे I need to find out the MGF function itself. तो I need to solve this properly, solve this part. Open the summation, you will get r0 रखा 1, okay, plus r को 1 रखा 2t प्लस 2t स्क्वेयर प्लस 2t क्यूब and so on. Have you noticed one thing here? This series is not only a GP or not only a AP series, but it is both AP and GP series. क्योंकि इसमें देखो, in AP series you will get next term either by subtracting some common thing or either by adding some common thing every time. So here 1, if I add 1 in this one, I will get 2, then I add again 1, 3, 4, like that. Addition हो रहा है, that means this is AP. All right. Next में यहाँ पे 2t की power 0 थी, here 2t की power 1, 2t का power 2. Every time you are multiplying by 2t. So here you are doing multiplication, that means GP. So it is both AP and GP term. It is both AP and GP series. So how will we find out the solution of such type of series? Let S infinity, it is going up to infinity, 1 plus 2, 2t plus 3, 2t square plus 4 2t cube and so on. Now what I will do, what is the common ratio? Common ratio क्या है इसमें? Every time 2t, तो multiply this term by 2t, 2t s infinity, it will be 2t plus 2t square plus 3 2t cube plus 4 2t की power 4 and so on. Now subtract from this equation. 1 minus 2t I will take as infinity common. हो गया. Right side में I am subtracting this term. Here it is 1 और कोई 1 नहीं है तो मैं इसको subtract नहीं कर सकती. I will write it as it is. Here 2 times of 2t and here 1 time of 2t. 2t as it is है 2 minus 1 1, तो it will be 2t. Here 3 minus 2 1, 2t square as it is plus 2t square. Basically in the same way next term will be 2t cube. Basically what I did, the series that I am having, which is both GP as well as AP series, I converted that complete series in only one type, which is GP series. Okay, now this is the infinite GP series with common ratio 2t. तो इनफाइनाइट जीपी सीरीज का फॉर्मूला यू हैव 1 माइनस 2t एस इन्फिनिटी, ए बाय में 1 माइनस आर, दिस इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर दिस. तो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ ए इज 1 एंड आर इज 2t. तो आई विल राइट 1 अपॉन में 1 माइनस 2t. तो एस इन्फिनिटी यू हैव 1 अपॉन में 1 माइनस 2t का होल स्क्वेयर. ऑल राइट, now put this value in this mxt. So your mxt function will be 1 upon में 1 minus 2t का whole square. Done. And in this question, previous question में आपने देख लिया होगा कि why we call t as a parameter and not a constant, because अगर t constant हो गया तो derivative with respect to t will always be 0. Okay, but that mean variance or other type of movements that we are finding from that MGF function, that is completely based on t. t नहीं होगा तो सब कुछ 0 होगा वहाँ पे. That's why we consider t as parameter and not the constant.